The line he bowls to this field.
That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4.
That's a very unorthodox kind of a field he has set.
Oh, gotta be close and given up.
Batsman having a chat with his partner for the DRS review, and they decide against it. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. That is a very quick signal taken.
Chance of a run out, and that's out. Has to walk back to the pavilion.
That was such a waste of a wicket.
Nudges it for a single.
They're converting ones into twos and twos into threes here. That is excellent running.
Fielder placed at point.
Oh, that's huge. It's disappeared way into the stands.
He seems to have carried his form from the last match. And he helps himself to a 6.
Pacer introduced from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. That's into the gap. Should look for 2. That is excellent running between the wickets.
There's a fielder at extra cover. That's 4. Didn't time that well, but definitely would be pleased with the result. Oh, he has got a wide range of shots. What is he going to do next? Oh, that must have really hurt. The bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
They are calling for 2. That is excellent running between the wickets. Looks like there will be a lot of slow balls coming.
That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy.
White ball signaled by the umpire. Strokes it into the gap for a single.
That is huge appeal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks.
Unable to break free. Missed that completely. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant.
That has made some serious damage.
There is a fielder at extra cover.
Great shot! He has dispatched that, and the fielder can only watch it land into the crowd.
This is scintillating batting. Wonder where the next one is going.
That's a very loose shot at this stage of the game. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one.
Oh, that was a seriously quick ball. The bowler is bowling from his favorite end. Change in bowling here. Spinner into the attack now. Fielder placed at point.
That's a nasty delivery. Must have hurt.
The bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
Hit on the body. It's a nasty delivery.
Has he got him there? That's a loud appeal by the keeper, and the umpire says not out. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match.
must have really hurt. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. It is showtime. Crowd going mad here.
That was a quick single. Nice running between the wickets. Wonderful fielding. That will lift the spirits of the fielding side.
Informed fast bowler into the attack now. Expect some serious chin music.
What a match this has been. It's a jam-packed stadium here today, witnessing an edge of the seat thriller here. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4.
Can he do it again?
Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Got the elevation right, but he couldn't time it too well. That is a good catch in the end. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. Plays and misses. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match. He has gone for a loose stroke.
He is taking a long walk towards the pavilion.
Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. That is excellent running between the wickets.